Hi guys, we found a blind box machine called Easy Toys, and I love blind box, so we're gonna get like maybe 2 to be honest. So I kind of want that Dreamy Stage one, TBH, or the little Asian girl, or oh, they have a Molly too. I like Molly. I don't know. Oh, there's a demo. I don't want that. What should I do?
Oh my god, choose. I want to look now.
Should I get Molly? And
You said you want 2. Get 2.
oh, there's even a Skull Panda action cut. My childhood.
Can you hold it now?
Should I get
Board?
these 2? Wait, let's look at the Dreamy Stage. Help me look. Dreamy. What the frick? This one. Tell me if it does it look cool.
Add to cart.
Where is it? But where is it? Let's do that. My childhood. This one is kind of cute.
You're gonna buy more of it? No.
Just 2?
Yeah.
But wait, I'm looking. Shit. I wouldn't have bought makeup if I saw this. Why are you laughing? How about the bunny? Okay. Oh shoot. And look, there's a display case right here.
Okay, go, because they're not gonna give it to you.
Follow it here.
Where?
Here. No, look here. It's going. It's cold. Oh my god. Is that the same collection as the one I got from Amazon?
No.
Demo looks so cute, the space travel. That is, I'm gonna get another. So I'm gonna get another one because it's so cute. This one. Look at my card. No, I'm having too much fun with this.
Yes.
Okay, bye my dear.
Welcome. Oh, is it not there? Upstairs?
Gabi. Wait, I'm so happy. I should have gotten that little Asian girl. Okay, here for me taking it. Let's go to unboxing.
No, I want to shop.
Unbox? No!
Alin ang bibigay mo?
Okay, so this is the... Oh, I see it. Ew! Oh my gosh, what the heck? So I want this, and this. Oh my gosh, I see it. I get the Lynx ones. Ew, so... Oh wait, it's kind of cute. Okay. I didn't win today. Last one. Okay, get the card away from me. Okay, so stand-in looks cool. Oh my god, I don't understand what's going on. Everything I get is so like weird. Wait, he ate.
How do you always get boxes?
I know, right? Anyways, this one's kind of cool.